Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. I know I haven't been regular on this channel, but I finally have an uploading schedule that I'm comfortable with. So from now on, I'm going to upload 2 videos on this channel every Mondays and Fridays. And there might also sometimes be a video on Wednesday, and that's going to be a bonus video. But essentially, I'm going to upload every Monday and Friday. So even if you don't get a notification from YouTube, you can come back to my channel every Mondays and Fridays and you will find a new video. So with that out of the way, let's get started with today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can style a simple maxi dress like this one. So this is a simple indigo printed maxi dress that I got from Max Fashion. So I'm going to style it with different accessories and create 5 different looks. The times are such that it's very difficult to invest in new outfits every now and then. So it's definitely a good idea to repurpose your clothes and use them in more than one ways. And you can do it really easily just by switching up your accessories, like adding a simple scarf or just a statement necklace like this. So I'm just going to change my jewelry and accessories like scarves and jackets to create all these different looks. If you want to know the different looks that I created, so please keep on watching. You can also watch this video in Bengali on my Bengali channel. I'll have the link in the description box. For my makeup, I've gone for these brown smoky eyes and I've paired it with a brownish nude lip color. You can find this makeup video on my channel, I'll link it above. I'm going to be wearing the same indigo printed maxi dress for all the looks. This dress is fitted from the top and flares out from the waist. For the first look, I'm going to pair it with a multicolor Afghan choker necklace. This is how the necklace looks like. I got it from Ajio. You can check out my previous jewelry haul video. I'll link it above. Then I'll also add a multicolor Afghan statement ring. It's a beautiful ring with red and green stones and a black big stone in the middle. To add some more color to the outfit, I'm going to carry this multicolor Kutch embroidered sling bag. I got this from the Gujarati market in Delhi. This one is totally handmade and has all of these charms and I absolutely love it. And since the base of the bag is yellow, I'm going to wear these yellow mules. This one is from the Street Style store. And here is the completed look. This look includes all my favorite accessories and I really like this one. For the second look, I have my hair up in a bun. And I'm going to wear these really pretty silver jhumkas. I have tied my hair so that the jhumkas can be seen. Next, I will wear a silver statement ring. And a silver bracelet with these peacock motifs. And I've also added a nose pin. For this look, I'm going to skip the necklace and go for a scarf instead. The scarf is in a similar color and pattern and so it matches really well with the dress. The scarf also instantly brightened the outfit. For footwear, I'm going to go for these black leather jutis. Then to break the monotony, I'm going to add this multicolor mosaic bag. And this is the finished look. For my third look, I will be adding a handcrafted, hand-painted Kali necklace. This one is from my Instagram store. It's called the Pom Poms and Tassel store, and I'll have a link to it in the description box. This necklace also has a 3D hibiscus flower made up of clay. You can see the intricate details on this necklace. I have a lot of these handcrafted jewelry pieces. You can check it out if you're interested in some unique pieces of jewelry. You can see how the look is transformed just by adding this necklace. I'm wearing the same nose pin from the previous look. And I will add this DIY Ghungru mirror ring. I will link this DIY video in the description box as well. You can check it out. You can mix and match your handmade jewelry pieces with your regular junk jewelry to create such unique looks. Next, I will just casually throw on a scarf around my neck. This look is really dear to me, and please let me know what you think. I have also opened my hair, and this is the finished look. For the fourth look, I'm going to add a silver statement necklace. It's got a pile-like design with these mirror pendants. It's a stunning piece and one of my favorites. I will skip the earrings and go for a mirror hathful instead. If you don't have a hathful, you can go for a statement ring or a bracelet. I'm also wearing a silver nose pin. You can stop here if you want to, but I'm going to layer on a plain white shirt. I will wear the shirt like a jacket. Leave the buttons open. Tie a knot in front and then roll up the sleeves. If you're not comfortable wearing a strappy dress, you can layer on a shirt like this. It will also transform the look of the dress. I'm wearing the same black leather jutis. And to finish the look, I'm going to carry a trendy square sling bag. And here is the finished look. For the fifth and final look, I'm going to wear a long dual tone necklace. I'm wearing the same black jutis. And then for some layering, I'm going to add this floral printed jacket on top. You can also add a belt if you like. Just roll up the sleeves and you're done. So these were all the looks. I hope you liked them. Let me know which one was your favorite. Also, don't forget to check this video out in Bengali. And that is it for this video. I'll have the links to my social media in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.